Hey guys, it's Chelsea from Byrider out in Waukesha. So, some people have been wondering what is the difference between buy here, pay here, and purchasing a vehicle from a traditional dealership. So, the main one is we are going to focus more on your particular individual case, not just your credit score. So, we're going to look at your income, your outflow, your stability, your affordability, everything else along those lines, rather than just what is your credit score. Also, we're going to make sure the car is comfortable for you. We're going to do a budget. We're going to make sure that your car payments fit comfortable within your means. Also, your payments are due on your payday. Because we are our own banks, we're able to have this flexibility for you. Also, we're here to help people who've had troubles in the past, whether it be past repos, trouble catching up on your credit cards, anything like that. We're here to help you get back on track. So every single time you make a payment, we're going to submit them to all three major credit bureaus. So your credit score is going to go up just making payments on your car. And last but not least, one of my personal favorites are we have same day approvals, which means we can get you driving same day in a great vehicle within an amazing 4-year, 48,000-mile warranty. So give us a call, 262-506-3131, or you can stop in and see us at W226 South 1700 Highway 164, Waukesha, Wisconsin 53186. We look forward to working with you and getting you driving in your next great vehicle that will help you rebuild your credit. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.